Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2010 Chevy Equinox. Stock number is A6943. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Assurance tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You have dual rear-facing entertainment centers on the back seats here. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera, as well as a trailer hitch on the back here. Taking a look inside of the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of a button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Power adjustable seats. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Equinox on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule a test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.